Hello everyone, and welcome back to our comprehensive review series. Today, we're zooming in on digital tools that revolutionize teaching interactive whiteboards. We're covering everything from how to choose the perfect board to showcasing top-of-the-line products, and even how to best utilize these devices in your classroom. Before investing in an interactive whiteboard, there are several factors you need to consider. Here are the top 10 points you should have in mind. 1. Cabling and connections. Ensure you understand the power and connectivity needs of your board. 2. USB-C connectivity. It's a game changer, replacing multiple cables with a single, reversible cable. 3. Front-facing ports. They provide easy access for additional devices. 4. Touch technology. The current standard is 20-point touchpoint capabilities, with advanced boards recognizing up to 33 touches at once. 5. Audio. Good sound quality can truly transform your classroom into an immersive environment. 6. Microphone array. This is particularly crucial for virtual classes, ensuring clear, uninterrupted communication. 7. The size and shape of the screen. Choose the right size to accommodate all your students, and keep the aspect ratio in mind. 8. Resolution. For crisp, clear visuals, go for 1080p HD, or even 4K Ultra HD. 9. Networking and Wi-Fi. These are key for additional resources and interactive learning experiences. And finally, 10. Multi-student participation. This feature allows multiple students to engage simultaneously. Now that you know what to look for in an interactive whiteboard, we'll delve into our top 11 recommendations. 1. Vibe All-in-One. At number 1, we have the Vibe S155 touchscreen whiteboard. It's a perfect tool for both office and classroom settings. With 4K UHD resolution, the board is clear and easy to read from any distance. Its touchscreen is responsive, making it perfect for presentations and collaborative work. The Vibe S1 doubles as an all-in-one computer, interactive whiteboard, and digital powerhouse. Its open app ecosystem integrates popular apps, making it versatile for work and learning. However, it may have compatibility issues with some webcams, and its tech support could be better. The Vibe S1 is a top choice for group participation, supporting up to 4 people at once. 2. Samsung Flip 2. Next up, we have the Samsung Flip 2 WM65R. This 65-inch digital flip chart is perfect for schools with its 4K UHD resolution. Its powerful resolution and built-in speaker create an immersive learning experience. It's built to handle frequent use and offers efficient portability. On the downside, its software seems to be a bit limited. The Samsung Flip 2 is a top choice for controlling key features from compatible mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. 3. DTEN D7. Moving on to number 3, the DTEN D7. This all-in-one video system transforms any surface into a digital whiteboard. The DTEN D7 is extremely easy to install, and its artificial intelligence technology automatically adjusts settings to match any room. However, it's on the smaller side for those looking for a bigger whiteboard and only has ports for USB and HDMI cords. The DTEN D7 is a top choice for classrooms and meeting rooms where artificial intelligence technology is beneficial. 4. AG Neovo IFP-6502. Fourth on our list is the AG Neovo IFP-6502. This 65-inch interactive flat panel display is a great choice for schools and classrooms. It features 4K Ultra HD resolution for stunning visuals and a 20-point multi-touch for multiple users. But it can be difficult to set up. The AG Neovo IFP-6502 is the top choice for interactive drawing and writing with fingers or touch pens. 5. SMARTBoard SB-660. Then we have the SMARTBoard SB-660. This interactive whiteboard, combined with a short throw projector bundle, is perfect for school settings. The SMARTBoard SB-660 offers touch recognition, allowing notes to appear in the color of your pen. It also allows you to capture your work as a screenshot that you can edit. However, it may be on the bigger side for some, and it does not possess multi-touch functionality. The SMARTBoard SB-660 is the top choice for easy access to functions and the convenience of touch recognition. 6. Kandao Meeting Pro 360. The Kandao Meeting Pro 360 is an AI-powered wireless conference system, perfect for any meeting or classroom. This system offers great mobility and interaction with sound detection, anti-shake, and face tracking features. However, it only works with Android applications and can't handle a large number of faces simultaneously. From conducting classes outside of school to charging your laptop during lessons, the Kandao Meeting Pro 360 offers a hassle-free experience to remote working. This device is a top choice for teachers on the go. 7. IPEVO IW2. Next up is the IPEVO IW2 Wireless Interactive Whiteboard System, a handy tool for teachers, students, and families alike. The IW2 is an affordable option with some impressive specifications, like being Wi-Fi independent and featuring an interactive pen. On the downside, you'll need to buy a projector, and the calibration might be a bit off. Whether you're showing storybooks, playing games, or collaborating across distance, the IPEVO IW2 is a versatile tool, especially for teachers on a tight budget. 8. Epson BrightLink for 75W. The Epson BrightLink for 75W is an interactive projector designed for use in classrooms. This projector allows writing on projected images without a computer connection, and it boasts simultaneous annotation capabilities. However, it is still as expensive as an interactive whiteboard, and the picture quality could be improved. From writing directly on your projected content to enabling participants to annotate, the Epson BrightLink for 75W is a top choice for those who need wireless control. 9. Soulaca Smart Whiteboard. The Soulaca Smart Whiteboard is a touchscreen electronic interactive whiteboard that also includes a rolling TV stand. This whiteboard stands out with its built-in Wi-Fi, versatile touchscreen monitor, and ample port selection. However, mounting to the wall might be a challenge, and it limits participation to only 2 students at once. From annotating on the fly to real-time collaboration with students, the Soulaca Smart Whiteboard is the top choice for those who need to move the screen around the classroom. 10. Chengying Multi-Touch Frame. For those who need a large touchscreen display in a classroom setting, the Chengying Multi-Touch Frame is the perfect fit. This frame offers a large, interactive screen, and is compatible with most standard LCD monitors. However, note that this is only a frame. It does not include the screen or monitor itself, and some lagging might occur. Turn your existing interactive whiteboard multi-touch with Chengying Multi-Touch Frame. This is the top choice for individuals who already have a device and want to make it touch screen. 11. JYXOIHUB 55-inch Digital Electronic Whiteboard. Our final product for today is the JYXOIHUB 55-inch Digital Electronic Whiteboard. With its large, high-resolution display, intuitive touch functionality, and compatibility with various devices, this whiteboard ensures an engaging user experience, whether you're writing, drawing, or manipulating content. The JYXOIHUB 55-inch Digital Electronic Whiteboard offers a versatile workspace for creative expression and collaboration. So, how can you use these interactive whiteboards in the classroom? These boards are more than just high-tech chalkboards. They enable remote teaching, facilitate collaboration, support multimedia teaching materials, and even allow digital annotations on live presentations. And there you have it, folks. We hope this comprehensive review was helpful. Remember, your perfect interactive whiteboard should complement your teaching style and meet your classroom's unique needs. With these tools, the future of education is right at your fingertips. For more detailed information about each product and further insights on interactive whiteboards, follow the link in the description and read our article. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews. Until next time, keep innovating.